Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Romancing Saga 2 Revenge of 7 game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, simply open up the Steam. Now click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Now simply sign into your account. Guys, if you don't have an account, then just scroll down, you'll see the option of create an account. So just create account on Steam. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now you have to download the Steam and install it in your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Once you download and install the Steam, so simply open up the Steam on your PC, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type the game, which is Romancing Saga 2. Now this game appear on the top, so simply open up this game. Now once you open it, now here just scroll down here on this page, you will see the option of add to cart. But if you want to download this game demo version, so just click on this option of add to library. Now this game demo was added to Steam library. You can simply download and play it. But if you want to download the original game, then click on the add to cart option. Now here simply click on this option of view my cart you are seeing. Now simply click on this option of continue to payment. Guys, here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the library of Steam. On the left hand side, just find this game. Once you find the Romancing Saga 2 game, now click on that, then click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.